Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to deform with Lattice in Blender. In this tutorial, I will deform a sphere to a water drop shape. So we can go to Add, Merge, and add the UV sphere first. Close up to it, and then make sure that we have enough geometry for deform. We can go to bottom left panel. We can increase the segments and rings. I will use 64 in the segments, and for the rings, I will use 32 and press enter and click on the empty space to apply it. Next, we can add lattice. We can go to add and lattice and choose lattice here. So lattice is added, but this is inside the sphere. So we can press S to enlarge it. And let me check for the size of lattice. I go to front view. So make sure that the lattice is larger than the sphere. So I press S again and enlarge it. Now I go back to perspective view, and we can select the sphere and then go to modifier properties and add the modifier. Next, we can go to deform and choose lattice. So lattice modifier is added to the sphere. In the objects, we can take the lattice. So we can select the lattice and go to edit mode, and we can find the points. If we select one of the points and move it, we can deform the sphere. We can make a multiple selection and deform it. I press Ctrl Z to undo it. If we want to make a fine adjustment, we can go to Object Data Properties and increase the resolution. For example, increase U and V to 3, and I want to increase W to 5. And then we can make a selection for the points and move upwards. And also we can press S to scale it. Actually, we can rotate. So this is how we can deform with Lattice in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.